Ano ba yan? Ulo, naman. Ang galing naman eh. Sino ba to? Ang galing ang ating magaling na cook. Sino yan? And Louis is waiting. There's Louis. Wisi, come here. Wisi. Oh. Where is... Oh, nice. Look at that. One more and then we'll flip it over. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oo, teka. Flip over na. Baka nasusunog na. Okay. Nice. Flip over. Flip over. Nice. Wow. Look at that. Steak. No? This is the one of the house specialties. Yeah, one of the house specialties. Alvaro Residences specialties. Yes. It's our syempre basta si Criselda ang nagpapaypay. Oo. Basta si Criselda ang nagpapaypay. No? Oh, kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway.